Guys. An earthquake's happening again.
Huwag malapit sa kuryente ha.
In Davao. Oh my gosh.
I don't want to go home tonight. I don't want to
Look at this.
I feel sick. No. Don't talk lang. Just... Uy, grabe pong pusa. Oh, you want to sit down? Sit down. Oh, then...
Oh my gosh. I still feel the earthquake.
It was just, I left your house ba when the earthquake began ba, no?
Oh.
Sit down. Sit down ba?
Senior lang. What magnitude was